Today I want to talk about the 3 principles of money that I learned at Grant Cardone's execution workshop. What is up, everybody? Welcome to the Fight Against Mediocrity. My name is Kevin Kartchner. I'm here on Miami Beach, North Miami Beach near Aventura. Today I want to talk about the 3 principles of money that I learned at Grant Cardone's execution workshop. So the first, well, stick around. The last one is my favorite, and drop it in comments below if you have any questions. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and hit the like button. Helps other people see it as well. So the first one is earn it. Earn money. And that can be through your current job, that could be through sales, that could be through selling something on KSL, but you just have to earn money and collect it. If you've ever thought there's not enough money in the world, I challenge you to do one thing, and that's just go around, no matter what city you live in, how big or how small the city is, go around and just count the money you see. So for example, for me, look at these buildings. These buildings easily worth upwards of $300, $400, $500 million, if not more, some of these buildings that are surrounding me right now. All the way down the other way, $100 million buildings. You've got people walking around, you got chairs, you've got restaurants on the other side of me, buildings for the restaurants. You've got the things I'm wearing, the clothes I'm wearing, the swimsuits everybody else is wearing, the beach volleyballs that they have. All of these, you know, I'm counting the money, I'm looking at the money. I'm looking at this sand and how well groomed it is and how clean it is. I'm looking at the police department and the lifeguards down there, what they need to be paid every day to be here and keep this running. The city is using the taxes to pay for a lot of this. So you just start looking around and counting the money. On the other side, I just saw a bunch of cars, a G-Wagon, you know, all these really nice expensive cars. The hotel we're staying at, they've got things there that you can buy, and the rooms that people are renting out. And they've got a restaurant on the 9th floor, and they've got conference rooms that people rent out. And so you just start looking around and you start realizing there's so much money. Your job is just to go collect it and earn it. And if you ever think there's a shortage of money, just think about how the government just printed trillions of dollars these last couple of years. There's no shortage of money, just a shortage of people willing to go get it. I love that quote by Grant. So number 1 is earn it. Just go earn it. You're a salesperson. If you're in a salary position, I challenge you to find a way to earn more money in the position you're in. Go ask your supervisors, what can I do? Can I sell something? Can I do this? And if they're not willing to budge on it, go get a side hustle or go find a new job. Go get into sales. That's what I help people do. I help people quit their job and get into sales because there's so much opportunity for growth. So number 1 is earn it. Number 2 is to keep it. And that has 2 parts to it. Number 1 is keep it, meaning like store it in a place that you can't touch. And I'm not gonna go too deep into this. You can watch another video where I go over the 40% rule, but keep your money, store it. And the second part of keeping it is investing in yourself. A really cool thing that I learned that I never really thought about before is if you invest money into yourself and your education, then you're actually keeping it, because no one can take away what you learned from investing it in yourself. So say you earn $10,000 and you invest all $10,000 into a course or into a product that helps you grow, you just kept that money versus spending it on something else. So really cool. Keep your money. Principle number 2, store it. And I'll tell you why in a second, and then keep it invested in yourself so you grow personally. Number 3 is multiply it. Now that's the best part. Once you've been storing enough money away, you can put it into assets that multiply it. My favorite is real estate, multifamily real estate. You put it in there, it pays you every month and appreciates, and is beneficial on your taxes. There's just so many wins with real estate. Anyways, drop your comments below if you like that, if you have any questions. Number 1, earn it. Number 2, keep it. And number 3, multiply it. A few really good books if you want to learn more about this is The Richest Man in Babylon The Science of Getting Rich and Think and Grow Rich. Those are both really, really good books that talk a little bit more about this. But you guys are awesome. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.